Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish phrase. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. And if you are interested in getting a membership, please just click on the join button down below. That supports this channel a lot and helps creating more Spanish lessons in the future. A big shout out to this channel member. Thank you so much for your support. It is greatly appreciated. And let's get started. Let's learn this Spanish phrase. The Spanish phrase of the day, I know I have a word of the day here, but it's a phrase. The Spanish phrase of the day is después de. Después de. This is another common Spanish phrase. Do you know the meaning of this? It's quite interesting, I gotta say. This means after. So maybe you're wondering, doesn't después mean after? What are we talking about, right? Why are we saying a phrase instead of después only? Después by itself means after. That's correct. But in some situations, you will see después de. Después de. And that also means after. So it's good to know that phrase because you can use it in certain situations. Because in some situations, después de is necessary. If you only have después, it might sound incomplete. You'll see what I'm referring to in a few seconds. Actually, right now. Let's see a few examples using this phrase. Siempre quiero un postre después de una comida. Siempre quiero postre, or rather, un postre después de una comida. Once again, siempre quiero un postre después de una comida. This means I always want dessert after a meal. So, yeah, I'm not that kind of person. If you haven't watched my video where I talk about what I like or think 10 things about me. If you haven't watched that video, you probably don't know what I'm talking about. But in that video, I said that I don't like anything sweet. I don't like sweets. I don't like desserts. I don't like cakes. I don't like pies. So yeah, this doesn't apply to me. But some people like to have dessert after a meal. In this situation, después de means after. Siempre quiero un postre. I always want dessert. Después de, after una comida, a meal. Okay? Siempre quiero un postre. I always want dessert. Después de, after una comida, a meal. Yeah. In this situation, we can see that we need to have de. Because if you say, siempre quiero un postre después una comida, that sounds like you want dessert first and then a meal. So that is very important to know. If you don't have the word de after después, the whole meaning changes. The whole meaning of this sentence changes. So that's why it's important to have después de. So that's very good. That's very, very good to know. Let's see another example. Miguel siempre está cansado después de trabajar. Miguel siempre está cansado después de trabajar. Yeah, that is something very, very common. After working, you feel tired. So in the situation, después de means after. Miguel siempre está cansado después de trabajar. Miguel is always tired after work. If you don't have de, then it would read something like this. Miguel siempre está cansado después trabajar. That sounds incomplete. You need this word de. You need it there. So it makes sense. Because if you don't have it, then someone is going to ask you, what do you mean? I don't understand what you're saying. So usually after something's going on, después de trabajar, después de comer, you can have a verb after, después de trabajar, after work, or after working, right? Or después de comer, after eating, or después de correr, after running. Okay, so that is good to know. Después de, and if you have a verb like trabajar, that means after work in this situation. But yeah, you can add a verb and it makes sense. Después de comer, después de trabajar, después de correr, and so on. Okay? So that's another important thing to know. Now let's see one more example. María no pudo dormir después de ver la película de terror. María no pudo dormir después de ver la película de terror. This is a very long sentence. This means María couldn't sleep after watching the horror movie. Yeah, that happens to me too. After watching a horror movie, I'm like, I don't feel sleepy. I feel tense. So yeah, it's a very funny situation. But yeah, después de, once again, means after. And we can see again, there is a verb after después de. Después de ver. After watching. Okay, so just remember that's very important. And yeah, María no pudo dormir después de ver la película de terror. Película de terror, horror movie. Yeah, that I used to like watching horror movies, but not anymore. Not anymore. I like more comedy, if you were wondering. But yeah, so in these situations, all of these, después de means after. I actually have to correct this word here because I forgot an accent mark. Shame on me, but it happens, you know. Yeah, después de, remember the accent mark, means after. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Just remember that después de is a common phrase that means, oops, what am I doing? Remember that después de means after. That is important to remember. Después by itself means after, but in some situations you will have to use después de. Usually when you have to use a verb, después de ver, después de comer, después de hablar, that is a must. you have to use it if you want to say after working, after eating, after running, and so on. So that's important to know. In the first situation, we had a more different situation, actually. You can say después de la comida, después de la película, después de, and so on. You can have a noun or a verb after después de, which means after. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. Any question, any comment related to después de. You can also suggest future words that you would like to learn on this channel, Spanish words. And yeah, that would be great. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload any video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. If you want to get a membership, please just click on the join button down below. Check them out because they're awesome and there are different perks when getting one. If you want to donate directly to this channel, you can go to smlessons.com and click on donate. There's also a big PayPal button on the right on the homepage on smlessons.com, and you can do that as well. That's up to you. Another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.